Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th physical science chapter number 8 chemical bonding. This is a very important chapter for Andhra and Telangana. Okay, now, but actually by mistake here written 5 because it is a typing mistake by my typer. So it is I'm ready for that one. Okay, now. Alright, so this is a fill in the blanks question. We already see the important question. So in this I choose it something interesting and the most important fill in the blanks. So you can check out from here. Okay, now. So you can see this one. Which of the following element is electronegative? Okay, now sodium, oxygen, magnesium, calcium. This type of question is given. An element 2 equals is form of like ionic compounds. Okay, then here is it is answer sheet also there. So if you are looking for the previous year question paper, model paper and sample paper are most important question paper of any subjects, so you just click on the description and you can check out from there, right? Otherwise just go to the channel and click on the place, you can check out from there also. Okay, so we will meet another video. Jai Hind.